Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today is a very tiny Fab Fit Fun box. I used to get the actual full-size Fab Fit Fun box. It's a seasonal box, so you get it 4 times a year and every box is $50. And even though you get a bang for your buck, if you don't have the buck to bang, $50 every 3 months for a college kid is kind of a lot. You do get a ton of stuff in it. I think it ranges from like $300 to $600 worth of stuff in the box. It's totally worth it, but I've been trying to save my money, so I canceled that box. But my lovely sorority sister Jess had some sort of starter box that she got with her account. So this was only $5. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to wait and open it with all of you. So this is smaller than an actual Fab Fit Fun box, so I'm eager to see how much I get. Oh, okay, this is what says what's in my box. So I got 4 things, total retail value $143, and I paid $5. The first thing I'm seeing is this hand cream, which I actually got already in one of my Fab Fit Fun boxes. It says it's Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, and girl, are my hands crusty from this weather that we're having. This lotion I actually put all over my body. This retails for $33. Who the heck is spending $33 on a hand cream? Not me. Now I can act like I buy $33 hand cream. The next thing that I see is a body wash infused buffer. On my little cheat sheet, it says that you exfoliate and cleanse all at the same time. We love efficiency. This hypoallergenic sponge has a time-released creamy lather made with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. This retails for $16. I wonder how many uses I'll actually get out of this. It doesn't say, so I guess it'll be a surprise. The next thing I see is a little sleeping face mask thing. Eye mask? Face mask? Wow, it feels
heavy.
It's from Free People, which is a place that I don't shop because I can't afford it, so that's exciting. I can't open the bag because of my Dead Sea Mineral hand cream. This retails for $40. Is that a joke? Starry-eyed travel eye mask. Non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. Oh, am I supposed to take it out of this bag? So this, I guess, will go in the freezer and then I'll put it in my eye mask and wake up feeling
so refreshed.
As someone who has a fairly large head, I appreciate the adjustable elastic. All right. Ooh, okay, yeah. For sure, this is gonna be quite relaxing. See, that's why I love Fab Fit Fun boxes, because they give me a bunch of stuff that I would never ever spend this much money on, but then I can get it for a cheaper price and it can make me feel fancy and cool. The last thing in my box is some sort of tote bag, little nautical vibes. Not particularly my style. Comes in black, navy, or cobalt blue, so I'm assuming I got the navy, which also isn't my fave, but that's okay. Rope handles, stripes on stripes, vegan leather. This tote deserves a spot in your handbag collection. It also features 2 pockets. Where? On the inside, maybe? All right, yeah, 2 pockets are on the inside. This is cute. I am probably going to give this to someone as a Christmas gift because, like I said, not really my thing, not my style. This bag retails for $54. Good quality, somewhat expensive, cute, perfect words to describe a good gift. If you actually get a Fab Fit Fun box, you're able to go onto your profile and take like a little quiz about yourself. You're less likely to get things that you don't actually like. Thank you, Jess, for offering your little $5 Fab Fit Fun starter kit to me. Oh, I didn't even smell this earlier. Oh my goodness, yeah. I can't wait to use that. Gonna have a little self-care night. Gonna wash myself with my Freesia Pear body wash infused buffer, lather myself up with some Dead Sea mineral lotion, and then cap the night with a little cooling face mask. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was not fitness related, but I thought it would be a little fun thing to watch in case you're interested in getting a Fab Fit Fun box. I definitely do recommend them if you have the $50 to be spending. So I'm gonna go have a little spa night, have a little self-care Saturday. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And until next time, see ya.